Planning a trip to Lisbon? Well, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. Nestled on the western coast of Portugal, Lisbon charms with its rich history and cultural significance. It's a city where the old meets new, in a vibrant dance of tradition and innovation. From the cobblestone pavements echoing past tales, to the modern skyscrapers reflecting the future, Lisbon promises a unique blend of heritage and forward-thinking culture. So, buckle up as we take you on an exciting journey through Lisbon's must-visit spots. First on our list is the iconic Belem Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This sentinel of the Tagus River is a symbol of the Age of Discovery, with its intricate design capturing your imagination. Next, we have the Jeronimos Monastery, an enchanting example of late Gothic Manueline architecture and a testament to Portugal's maritime exploits. Moving on, we find ourselves in the heart of Lisbon, the Alfama District. This oldest neighborhood of Lisbon, with its narrow winding streets and pastel-colored houses, is a living, breathing testament to the city's Moorish past. Let's not forget the LX Factory, a creative island in a factory complex which is transformed into a dynamic cultural hub, housing an array of unique shops, restaurants, and street art. Lastly, we revisit Alfama, but this time for its vibrant Fado scene. The melancholic tunes of Fado music echo through the district's taverns, adding to its timeless charm. These are just a few of the numerous awe-inspiring sights you'll encounter in this dynamic city. Wondering what to do in Lisbon? There's an array of activities to keep you engaged. Take a ride on the historic Tram 28, a charming yellow tram that weaves through the city's narrow cobblestone streets, showcasing Lisbon's architectural splendors. For the adventure seekers, head to Cascais to ride the waves and experience the thrill of surfing. The city's vibrant street art is a feast for the eyes, transforming ordinary walls into vibrant canvases that narrate stories of Lisbon's past and present. As the day winds down, embark on a sunset cruise on the Tagus River, the perfect way to soak in the city's stunning skyline as the sun sets. These activities will surely immerse you in the city's vibrant rhythm and lifestyle. No trip is complete without indulging in local cuisine, and Lisbon has a lot to offer. Start your culinary adventure with pastel de nata, an egg tart pastry that is a sweet staple of Lisbon. Next, dive into bacalhau à brás, a hearty dish made from shredded cod, potatoes, and eggs. Lastly, wash it all down with a glass of gingina, a sour cherry liqueur beloved by locals. These foods are more than just meals, they're a part of Lisbon's vibrant food culture. Get ready to embark on a tantalizing culinary journey in Lisbon. And in conclusion, Lisbon is a city that beautifully marries the old with the new. From breathtaking views to vibrant nightlife, unique activities, and mouth-watering cuisine, Lisbon offers unforgettable experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to YouSpot for more interesting facts. See you on the next adventure.